everyone, welcome. Allison here, and today we are doing the unboxing or unbagging of the collab. Now, up until now, it's been just Pam and I doing the collab of the mystery bag, but we've got two new people that have joined us. One is Ambi's Life, and I'll have her channel linked down below, and then the other one is Fraps and Scraps, and her name's Shauna, and she is such a sweetheart. Look how cute. So what we did is we sent each other something. So I sent something to Amber, Amber sent something to Pam, Pam sent something to Shauna, and Shauna sent something to me, if that makes sense. So we just kind of did a roundabout thing. So if you guys want to join in on this, just get a hold of me. My email is linked down below. My IG account is linked down below. My Facebook is linked down below. So there's many ways of getting a hold of me if y'all want to join this. But look at this. Look how cute. So this is the YouTube Christmas collab. So we decided this time we're going to do a theme, and this time we're going to do it Christmas. So this is from Fraps and Scraps. Like I said, I'll leave all of their YouTube links down below. Look how cute. Cute, 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 cute. Alright, so let's open this. If I can figure out how to open it. And see what's inside. I think that's the fun part, you know, of the whole mystery, is seeing what you got sent and what you're gonna have to make, or, you know, to get ideas. Oh, wow, holy cow, she sent a ton of stuff. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at all of this. Alright. Oh, look how cute. Okay, I've got, well, not the Noel, but I've got some washi tape that would match perfect with that. Wow. This is premium ribbon, I'm trying to see who, American Crafts. So there's 4 feet. Oh, God, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then some, it looks like little plastic tags. Let's see. Yeah, market tags. That's just right there. Market tags. Super cute. Alright, cool. Oh, and some stickers. Love that. Oh my gosh. These are too cute. And some, let's see, these are, oh wow, these are clips. Oh my goodness. I hope she had an idea what what I could make. I mean, I've got an idea just looking. Oh my goodness. Look at these. So this is chipboard and like a Christmas tree. I love it. Look at this. Oh my, oh, I've got such a great idea. I don't know, we'll see. I've got a good idea. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look. That would fit almost perfect right there at the bottom of that Christmas tree. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, and then she embossed an envelope. I love that. Like little snow. Cute, cute. And then a regular envelope. Oh my gosh. She sent a whole pad. Okay, we'll look at that last. Some stickers. I love that. It's got both the big and the little, and there's multiples of them. Very cool. Oh wow, look at these. Oh, I haven't had that in 13 years, so. Oh Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, how cute. So there's, if it'll focus. No, it'll focus, just not up close. And then we got some die cuts. Oh, look at all of those. Oh wow, very cool. Love that. So there's a better view. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, some more. Holy cow. She sent a ton of these. These would... tags. Yes, I'm like, oh, these would be great tags. And they are. These are tags. But they would go great on cards as well. Look at that. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Oh, I love that right there. Oops, bump y'all. Oh. Yeah, oh, look at that. I absolutely love that. That, I think, was probably my favorite. Oh my goodness. And some more. Holy cow, she sent so much. That's perfect for cards. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness, and more. Angel, Star, Noel, Joy, Great. Wow, look at this. Holy cow. Look at all of this. Oops. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. Should we do the goodie bag? Let's do the goodie bag and then we'll do the paper. So we got some yarn. I cannot ever remember the name of this yarn. I love it. It's got that crinkle look to it. Beautiful color. Y'all know I love green. And then some eyelash. I believe that's what this is called. The eyelash. No, this isn't eyelash. What is this? I don't know. It's really soft though. I love that. And then some more yarn. Wow, look at... Okay. Some really pretty yarn. Really fluffy. Oh, this one I think is the eyelash right here. Oh, wow. So soft. Yes, here's the eyelash. This is the eyelash. Look how pretty that is. And of course it's in my colors that I love. And then looks like she made some tags. Oh, look at that one. I love that. Oh, so cute. Be merry. Oh, she did an amazing job. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, Shauna, you are amazing. So awesome. Oh, I'm gonna have to really think now what to do. Oh, look at the paper. Oh my gosh. Oh, love it. Is that upside down? Yep, I think I got it upside down. Or maybe not. I don't know. Oh, it's just kind of different. Okay, so it looks like we've got some more die cuts. Love that. Kind of that, it's got that country feel. I love that. See, this is my style. Old world, like traditionalist old world is really my thing. And country. Look how cute. Tabs. That would be good for like if you do folder or what? No, what? She makes a lot of junk journaling. Like those would be really good for that. I've never made a junk journal. I'll have to maybe try to do one time. Love that. Oop, bump y'all. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this paper set. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to find out where she got this. And then I think it just repeats. Yeah. Oh. Love that. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's got that worn look. I love it. Oh my gosh. Ah, this, I gotta find out where she got this. I love this paper set. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. So much. So much. So that is what she sent me. Holy cow. She sent a lot. So now what I get to do is figure out what I'm going to make and post it. Don't forget, you guys, to go and check out their channels. Like I said, I'll have it all linked down below, so that you can go and check out theirs and see what they got, because each one of us sent, like I said, a mystery bag. So go check their channels out as well, and we'll see you guys on the crafty day when we show y'all what we've made with everything. Okay, I love y'all. Hope you're having a great day or night. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and comment on what you think I should make with all of this goodness. Alright, love y'all, and don't forget to smile. Bye.